When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal and security of your Fort Lauderdale property, few elements have as much impact as a custom door. A well-designed door not only welcomes guests but also makes a statement about your style and taste. Whether you're building a new home, renovating an existing one, or upgrading your commercial space, choosing the perfect custom door design can be a fun yet overwhelming process. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this important decision. Consider your property's style and architecture. The first step in selecting a custom door is to consider the architectural style of your Fort Lauderdale property. Whether you have a modern beach house, a Mediterranean-inspired villa, or a classic Florida bungalow, your door should complement the overall aesthetic. Contemporary, modern homes opt for sleek, minimalist designs with clean lines, large glass panels, and bold metal finishes. A modern door might incorporate steel, glass, or composite materials to create an inviting, stylish entrance. Mediterranean and Spanish Revival homes. For homes with Mediterranean flair, choose custom doors that feature rich wood tones, decorative ironwork, and ornate carvings. These doors often have a timeless, rustic appeal that complements stucco exteriors and tile roofing. Coastal or beachfront properties. Fort Lauderdale's proximity to the ocean makes it essential to consider the weather conditions. Custom doors for beach houses or waterfront properties should be resistant to saltwater corrosion, humidity, and high winds. Materials like fiberglass or stainless steel are both durable and stylish choices for these conditions. Choose materials that suit the climate. Fort Lauderdale's tropical climate can be tough on exterior materials, which is why selecting the right material for your custom door is crucial. The constant exposure to humidity, heat, and salt air requires materials that are both durable and resistant to the elements. Wood. While wood doors are timeless and aesthetically appealing, they require more maintenance in humid climates. If you love the look of wood, consider using mahogany, teak, or oak, which are more resistant to rot and decay. Regular sealing and finishing can also help preserve the door's beauty. Fiberglass. An increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Fort Lauderdale, fiberglass doors are strong, durable, and highly resistant to weathering. They can be molded to look like wood, offering the same visual appeal but with minimal upkeep. Steel and aluminum. If security and durability are your primary concerns, a custom steel or aluminum door could be the perfect fit. These materials provide excellent resistance to harsh weather and are difficult to damage. While not as visually warm as wood, steel doors can be customized with finishes, glass panels, and hardware to create a unique look. Glass and iron. For those seeking a blend of elegance and security, wrought iron doors with glass inserts provide a dramatic and stylish entrance. They combine the durability of iron with the transparency and light-enhancing properties of glass. Prioritize security and privacy. While style and materials are important, you must also consider the security and privacy needs of your property. Your front door is your first line of defense, so choosing a design that combines aesthetics with safety features is essential. Strong construction. Opt for doors with solid cores, reinforced frames, and high-quality locks. Steel and fiberglass doors often offer the best protection, while wooden doors can be reinforced with a steel core for added security. Glass panels. If your custom door design includes glass panels, choose impact-resistant or laminated glass, especially if you live in an area prone to hurricanes or storms. Fort Lauderdale's hurricane codes require homes to have doors that can withstand extreme weather conditions, so always check that your door meets local building codes. Privacy. If privacy is a concern, consider custom doors with frosted or tinted glass, or choose a design that has limited openings and minimal transparency. Decorative metal panels can also be used to block sightlines while maintaining a sophisticated appearance. Focus on functionality and ease of use. Your custom door should not only look great but also function seamlessly. When designing your door, think about how you'll use it on a daily basis. Size and swing. Choose a door size that is proportional to your entryway. Double doors or oversized single doors can create a grand entrance, while smaller doors work better for modest spaces. Also, consider whether you want the door to swing inward or outward and whether you prefer a hinge, sliding, or French door style. Hardware. Don't overlook the importance of quality hardware. From handles and locks to hinges and deadbolts, the hardware you choose will impact both the functionality and the overall aesthetic of your door. Brass, bronze, or matte black finishes can create a complementary look, while smart locks can enhance security and convenience. Work with a professional designer. Choosing a custom door for your Fort Lauderdale property is a significant investment, and working with a professional designer or door manufacturer can help you make the best decision. Experts can guide you through material selections, style options, and provide insight into the most durable and attractive choices for your specific location. They'll also ensure that your door meets all safety, security, and weather-resistant standards. Final thoughts. Your custom door is more than just an entry point. It's a statement piece that reflects your personal style and enhances the beauty of your Fort Lauderdale property. By considering the architectural style, material durability, security, and functionality, you can create a design that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Collaborating with a professional designer will ensure your door not only meets your needs but also provides lasting value for years to come.